Hello students, good morning all of you. Today our topic is petroleum, class 8 science. Okay, you know that petrol is used as a fuel in light automobiles such as motorcycles, scooters, and cars, and heavy motor vehicles like trucks and tractors run on diesel. Petrol and diesel are obtained from a natural resource called petroleum. Nowadays, we use petrol as a fuel light automobiles such as motorcycles, scooters, and cars, and heavy motor vehicles like trucks and tractors are run on diesels. Okay, petrol is the natural resource. So, what is natural resource? Natural resource are resource that exist without any action of humankind. That is called natural resource. So petroleum is the one of the example of the natural resource. The word petroleum is derived from petra mean rock, and oleum mean oil, and as it is mined from between the rocks under earth as shown in figure number 5.4. Look at this figure number 5.4. Petroleum mean petra mean rock, and oleum mean oil. Okay, and do you know how petroleum is formed? This is a very important question. The answer is petroleum was formed from organisms live in the sea. Some living organisms live in sea. As these organisms deaded their bodies, settled at the bottom of the sea and got converted with layer of sandy and clay. The dead bodies settled at the bottom of the sea and got convert layer of the sand and clay. Okay, over million of years, absence of air and high temperature and high pressure transformed for the dead organisms into petroleum and natural gas. The dead organisms bodies convert into petroleum and natural gas. Okay, look at figure number 5.4. It shows the deposits of petroleum and natural gas. You see that the layer containing petroleum oil and gas is above the water. Why it is so? Petroleum occurs deep under the surface of earth between two layers of impervious rocks. As petroleum is lighter than water, it floats over water. Natural gas occurs above the petroleum oil trapped under the rocks. Okay, and recall that oil and gas are lighter than water. Oil and gas lighter than water. Do not mix with it. Petroleum and oils do not mix with it. Okay, and the world's first oil wells was drilled in Pennsylvania, US states. Okay, the first the world first oil well was drilled in Pennsylvania in US states in 1859. 8 years later, in 1867, oil was struck at Makum in Assam. In India, oil is found in Assam, Gujarat, Mumbai, High, and in the rivers basin of Godavari and Krishna. Okay, so how is petroleum is formed? That is a very important question. Petroleum was formed from organisms living in the sea. As this organism deaded their bodies, settled at the bottom of the sea and got converted with layer of sand and clay. Over million of years, absence of air and high temperature and high pressure formed the dead organism into convert petroleum and natural gas. Okay, I understand. And next we discussed refining of petroleum. Petroleum is a dark oily liquid. Petroleum dark oily liquid. It has an unpleasant odor. Odor means impure or bad smell. It is a mixture of various constituents such as petrol, gas, petrol, diesel and lubricating oils and paraffin, wax, etc. Petrol is the mixture of various petrol is the mixture of petrol is the mixture of mixture of constituents such as petrol, gas, petrol, diesel and lubricating oils and paraffin, wax, the etc. The process of separating the various constituent fractions of petrol is known as refining. Okay, the separating the various constituents fractions of petroleum is known as the refining. Okay, it is carried out in a petroleum refiner. Look at this picture. This is the petroleum refiners. Okay, and various constituents of petroleum and their uses are given table number 5.1. Look at this table number 5.1. Constituents of petroleum and their uses. Petroleum gas in liquid form LPG, fuels from home and industries, and petrol use motorcycles and ammunition, fuel and solvents for dry cleanings, and kerosene and fuel from stove, lamps and for jet aircrafts. Use stoves and lamps and jet aircraft and diesel fuel for heavy motor vehicles, electric generators and lubricating oils, lubrications and uh, paraffin wax, ointments and candles and Vaseline etc. and bitumen, paints, road surfacings. Okay, okay children, are you understand? And next class we are discuss about natural gases. Okay, thank you all of you.